Phoenix Typewriter, good day. Got the Oliver typewriter here. Spent a few hours reworking this machine, getting it to work again. It definitely had some mechanical issues that are all resolved now, it looks like. We're able to get everything working right. This is a pretty neat typewriter, but it is quite the different and a little bit tricky machine to work on. Main drawband here, mainspring, simple, but the rest of it's a little tricky. It's got shift back and forth, so it's only got 3 columns here, so it goes back and forward to get these figures and numbers and everything. Ribbon doesn't have any reverse. You just use the buttons over here on the side, one side to the other, and then if you put it in the center, it's neutral. It does have a neat little feature up here. This pencil holder comes down, and you can use it to make lines on your paper if you so desire. You can line the paper up here, move the carriage, roll it up, move the carriage back, get yourself some lines. Kind of neat. Let me move this slider over here and get this paper under here. Well, we got the carriage moving freely again. I've worked on a few of these just recently too, and this rack here where the release is gets so bound up, it's crazy. But we got all the characters to print without binding, which is another challenge sometimes. It was with this one, that's for sure. And it looks like the type alignment is pretty good. Took a little bit to get some of that working right, but the plating's pretty hard, but they didn't budget that in for anything, and these front rollers have a little bit of a flat spot. Again, no budget for that. Just a budget to get it cleaned up, working again. Keyboard came out really good though. Got those shined up good. Got this chrome. A lot of the chrome pieces we took off and polished them. Some of these pieces over here, this piece up here, all the chrome up here. Took the bell off, shined that up. It was a rust bucket. Took these off, but they didn't get much better. They were kind of faded like this already. Quite the machine. But she is working for an old timer. I think this is 1920 or so. I am Oliver. Alright guys, this is our quick little demo of a Oliver number 9. It does have a tabulator, but there's only one tab spot on this. It's adjustable. It's got a little slider down here in the right margin, or left margin. Right margin. The left margin is this guy here. You move this around, adjust it as needed, and then the right margin is, let's see if I can, is this slider right here. Hard to see down there, but there it is. Oh, and a backspace. Some of the Olivers don't have a backspace. This one has a backspace. Fancy. So this is ready to be brought back to the customer, which we're going to do on Monday. And I just wanted to give a little video highlight of it. It's hard to get going. too fast on this, but it's still pretty neat. I didn't have the ribbon moving there. Oh, another neat little thing about this thing, this little piece right here, that moves out of the way when the type bars come. The type bars come down, that piece moves out of the way. So if you move this ribbon down, grab a type bar, you can see it move to the side and allow the bar to hit. I think that's pretty cool. Alright, this is our video of the day. Good day.